This is going to be our first Python exercise. So what I want you to do is I want you to go to replit.com. You're going to have to sign in with Google. Um, Hopefully that works. And then let's just go to replit.com here. Create Replit. Create Replit. Python. Give it a name. Let's call this intro. Create Replit. The first thing that I want you to do is I want you to just use the print command. So we're going to type in print. And then what I'm going to do is it shows you right here. It says hello world. Okay. So we've got a bracket. So let's go bracket, quote, and then I'm going to put in my name, Chris. Okay. So that's going to be our first program. Christmas tree is not what I'm going to do. And then I'm just going to hit this run button over here. So I hit run. And then we can see Chris. And so that's where we see it. This time, let's go Chris, and then let's go regular, and then brackets again. Let's see what happens here. Chris regular. Okay. And so then I'm going to do another one. Let's take away regular. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go print, and then bracket, quote, regular. And so let's see what that does. It goes one in front of the other. Let's try something different again. Let's go Chris, and then we're going to go Control V here. No, I'm going to go quote, / like this. And let's see what happens here. So we can see that it's put a line there. So that /n has put a line. So if I were to put this regular, I'm going to Control X. And I'm going to put this space Control V. I'm going to take away that print command. And so now it's all here. And let's see what happens here. So even though it's on this line, I've got this, and then I've got regular. Let's see what happens when we put a comma. All right. Let's see that. I can't see that right there. So then it put that little space in there. So I just want you to play around with this print command. Do a screenshot of this and some of the stuff that you've done here, and that's going to be your very first exercise. All right, the next thing that we're going to do, we're going to go back to our replit. We're going to declare a variable. We're going to say x space equals 1. And then I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to go to print bracket x. Let's see if that works. So then down here, it says 1. All right, let's change that number. Let's say 45. Run. All right, so it prints 45. But then what I want to do next is I want to go print x equals 45. You know what, let's forget that. Let's go print. In here, I'm going to go quote x equals quote. And so what I've got here is this is actually going to appear, and this is going to be the calculation that I get from there. So let's see what that looks like. And it said not a comma. So I got to go here. I go comma. I go run. X equals 45. I want a space right here. So I'm going to go like that. Let's see how that looks. X equals 45. That looks good. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say y equals 10. And then I'm going to go z space equals x plus y. So now I'm going to go here. I'm going to go z and z, and it's going to go print this right here, and z equals 55. So play around with that. You've made your little calculator. You've used the print command for your name, and this is your very first thing. Do a few screenshots, put this in the PowerPoint, and we're going to hand this in as part of our Python work. Thank you.